we're going to be making beef stroganoff. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be served over rice. So we'll see you soon. I have a total of 3 cups of rice and 4.5 cups of water. And this water's been boiling. Now I'm going to put some garlic salt. About that much. I'm going to put some garlic in there, some minced garlic. Oh yeah, delicious. And a little bit of onion, just a little bit. So a little bit of wine. We're going to put this little bit of wine in here. I cut the little pieces of, this is top sirloin, and you can tell they're basically 3/4 of an inch or so, and it's, some of it has been already sitting in the wine for a little bit. All right, so the way we're gonna do this is we're basically just gonna kind of dunk these little pieces of beef onto the flour, and we're just gonna plate it. And again, this has already been seasoned. The meat has already been seasoned. It's nice. We are going to start adding some of our sauce. We're going to start out with this tomato sauce here. We're going to add that. Oh yeah, nice. Just a little bit of color into that. Beautiful. Very nice. Now, we're going to add some garlic. About a teaspoon of garlic. And then, we're going to add some of these chopped onions onto there. Perfect. Give it a nice stir. Now we're going to make a cream out of this, so we're just kind of creating, so all that flour that we have on the meat actually will make it kind of a little bit thicker once this gets nice and reduced with the heat. And it already smells delicious. All right, so some more of the ingredients we're going to put on here. Worcestershire sauce, delicious. Oh yeah, nice. We're going to add some of these hearts of palm and some whole mushrooms right inside of here. The rice is perfectly cooked. I think was actually the easiest way to cook rice that I've ever done before. And the consistency of the stroganoff is awesome. It's excellent. You got a little flavor of the nutmeg, a little bit of that wine. It's delicious. The rice, the combination with the string potato,